Are you looking for the best cat houses? In this video we will look at some of the best cat houses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K&H Pet Products Outdoor Heated Kitty House. The K&H Pet Products Outdoor Heated Kitty House is designed to be a protective and comfortable refuge for outdoor cats, community cats, and feral cats. Measuring 19 inches by 22 inches by 17 inches, this easily assembled cat house is weather-resistant, insulated, and equipped with a 20-watt Met safety-listed waterproof heated cat bed to ensure warmth even in sub-zero temperatures. The outdoor cat house features two 6-inch by 8-inch exits that serve as multiple escape routes from predators, and removable clear door flaps provide protection against harsh outdoor elements. This makes it an ideal choice for winter, as it keeps cats safe and warm. The multi-use shelter is suitable for cats that prefer sleeping in garages, porches, barns, or colder parts of the house, providing a cozy cat cave with a warming pad inside. Number 2. Kitty City Large Cat Bed. The Kitty City Large Cat Bed seems like a feline paradise. This cozy nap pad and private cat lair combo is perfect for your furry friend. The fabric side walls not only provide a sturdy perch but also fold flat for convenient storage. The cushy polyester pillow and fleece base mat are removable and washing machine safe, ensuring a clean and comfortable space for your cat. What's great is that it's easy to assemble and stow away, making it a practical choice for cat owners. The design is well thought out, allowing the beds to stack perfectly in sets of 2, saving you space. With dimensions of 16.5W x 16.5L x 19.25H, it includes one cube, one top cushion, and one fur fleece mat, everything your cat needs for a luxurious nap. Number 3. FEANDREA Cat Tree. The FEANDREA Cat Tree offers a luxurious and comfortable space for your feline friend to climb, scratch, and relax. The highlight of this cat tree is its large 22-inch by 15.7-inch perch with well-padded raised edges, providing ample room for your cat to stretch out and unwind. This spacious perch is ideal for accommodating one large or chubby cat or two smaller cats snuggling together. In addition to the large perch, the cat tree features two cat caves for varied and cozy hideouts. The upper two-door cave offers a wide view and easy access, while the lower single-door cave is perfect for sleepyheads taking a nap. It's also suitable for older cats who may have difficulty jumping and kittens who are still mastering the art of leaping. Number 4. K&H Pet Products Thermo-Kitty Sleephouse Heated Pet Bed. The K&H Pet Products Thermo-Kitty Sleephouse Heated Pet Bed is a cozy and innovative solution to keep your feline friend warm and comfortable. This heated cat bed provides privacy for your cat in their own heated cave, thanks to its unique design. The Thermo-Kitty Sleephouse features rigid padded walls that offer support if your kitty prefers to snooze on top of the bed. The zip-together design makes assembly a breeze, and it can be conveniently stored flat to save space when not in use. One of the standout features is the removable heater, allowing you to use the bed in any season. During warmer months, simply remove the heater for year-round functionality. Safety is a top priority for K&H, and the product is not only made with safety-listed parts but is also certified as a whole to ensure your safety. K&H Pet Products go the extra mile by testing and certifying their products through Met Labs to exceed USA/CA electrical safety standards. Number 5. Amazon Basics Collapsible Cube Cat Bed. The Amazon Basics Collapsible Cube Cat Bed is a fantastic addition to any feline-friendly home. Shaped like a cube, it provides your kitty with a delightful and cozy space to relax, hide, and play. The bed features a suede side and bottom, offering a comfortable foundation, while the Sherpa top adds a touch of luxury with a soft raised border edge for extra structure. Designed with your cat's comfort in mind, the interior of the cube serves as a den-like hiding space, perfect for those cat naps. The circular cutouts in the cube promote interactive play, ensuring your cat stays engaged and entertained. Assembly is a breeze, and the collapsible design allows for convenient space-saving storage when not in use. The bed is easy to clean, as it wipes clean effortlessly. Its stylish shade of gray is versatile, coordinating well with almost any home decor.